Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of the Techno Dinosaur meets the IT Geek. My name is Willie Nicol. I am the Techno Dinosaur due to being technologically challenged. However, I'm also a personal development life coach. I'm based in Troon, Ayrshire, Scotland, UK, although worldwide now through the internet. I'm joined today by my usual partner in crime, the IT Geek himself, David Logan. So, hi, David. How are you and where are you?
Hi Wally, I'm great. My name's David Logan, the IT geek, the guy who takes the jargon out of technology for you, the home worker, the home-based worker. And we keep it simple. I'm based here in Annan, southwest of Scotland, and the sun is out, Wally.
Well, you're lucky. It's a very dull, dreich day here, as we say in Scotland. However, we're all indoors nice and warm.
You're testing your Scottish there when you say dreich.
Dreich, yes. For the non-Scottish people, it means miserable. Anyway, as I told you, David, about 10 days ago, my computer wouldn't work. Panic. However, due to my brother-in-law, who's in IT, was able to fix it at home. Now, I was paranoid because I thought I've lost all my data, I've lost all my documents, I've lost all my photos, and, well, not exactly life-threatening, it was potentially a major pain in the neck. So my question to you today is, what is the best way of backing up our documents, photos, whatever, so that in the unlikely event your computer does throw a wobbly, you don't lose everything?
Great question. And I'm taking a leaf at your book. You panic. I thought that's what you meant to do. Keep everybody relaxed. Don't panic.
Don't panic, Mr. Mannering. There was a time when I would have panicked, but not so much now. I was able to get over it relatively quickly.
So the question is, why or how should we back up?
Yes, preferably, as you said before, simple, because simple works for me.
Okay, so the simplistic way for the business owner or the home-based office worker to back up is an external device. So that could be a memory stick or a memory card. Buy them to a penny, Tesco's, PC World. If you want to do bigger data sets, you probably need an external hard drive, 500 gigabyte, 1 terabyte. Now, if you want to, so you can simply to do the backup, you go copy and paste. So you have two windows open on your computer. You say, I want to back up that folder, and that folder. Recreate those folders on your backup device. Copy and paste. Do not drag and drop. If you drag and drop, you could lose data in a transfer. So always go copy and paste. That's the easiest and simplest way. Then the next time you go to do that, you go copy and paste. Some files will have the same file name, in which case, within Microsoft Windows, I'm going to talk about Microsoft Windows. In Linux and Unix, it does the same. I'm not sure what the wording is for Apple Macs, but if you go to copy a file across, it's got the same file name, it'll say, whoa, Wally, do you want to overwrite this file? Or do you want to create a copy? Easiest and quicker way is saying, yes, I'll overwrite it. Now, if you want it different days, so it's like if you want to back up on a daily basis, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, or maybe week numbers, week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4, week 5, so you can go back. I suggest you create a folder, week 1, copy and paste into that folder. Next week, create week number 2, copy and paste. That way there, you can go back historical.
Yeah, that makes sense, David, because that is essentially what I do. And what I did once my computer was fortunately restored to root health. Copy and paste from your desktop into your external hard drive, which is now sitting in front of me, and I think it's 2 terabytes, whatever that is. Right, but it's a lot of memory, right?
Very
And
true.
the good thing is that if my computer goes again, I'll only have lost anything potentially since the last time I backed it up. But are there other ways, rather than copy and pasting to an external device, that would be as good or better?
Okay, there's other ways, yes. It's always good to have a second backup device. The reason for that is if your computer gets compromised. So the first stage rule is it's if you delete a document by accident or you overwrite a document, you can return to the backup quickly and easily. Step 1. Step 2 is to have a secondary device and have it when it's not backing up in a different building or somewhere else. Why that? In case your computer gets scrambled due to ransomware. We've heard about ransomware. If your computer, so that basically is where all your documents is scrambled, and to get unscrambled, they hold you to ransom. Now, if you've got your device connected to your computer all the time, it'll go from the computer to that device. So you should have 2 devices not connected to the computer.
Okay, 2
And
devices.
why I'm saying have it in a different building, it's like a fire break. So in an instance where your house goes puff, you've got that latest backup, maybe a couple of days, maybe a week old, in that outer building.
Okay, we're getting really serious here. Is there another way of doing it through the cloud?
Yes, there's numerous ways of doing it. Numerous ways. The easiest is something like Dropbox. We all have heard of Dropbox and use it. It syncs real time and it keeps your data. The big but comes in. If you delete a file on your computer, it deletes it in the cloud. So again, back to the situation where, if I can use the word clumsy, and you press delete by mistake, and you don't have it in the recycle bin. Generally, if you delete a file, I'll go into the recycle bin. I'm digressing here slightly. That is your first protocol if you can't find a document. Go to the recycle bin. But in the scenario that recycle bin is empty and the document isn't there, go to your backup. But
Okay.
as a Dropbox, OneDrive, all these
Google
other
Drive.
variants, if you delete your computer, it deletes it up there.
Okay. Well, that has given the viewer a number of options and ideas about not to lose the rag when you think you've lost all your data and your documents. So on that happy note, I think we'll wrap it up for this week. So all that remains for me to say, oh, the sun's just come out, by the way. All that remains for me to say, thank you for watching, viewers, and stay safe, stay well, and have some fun until the next time. So it's goodbye from me.
Absolutely. Fantastic, Willie. Whether it rains or sunshines, people, stay safe, be healthy, keep smiling. If you've got any problems, worries, concerns, speak to Wally. That's us for now. Have a great week, everybody. Thank you.